Hi, do you know what the VINE Master Pruners Academy is? It is the first e-learning community in the world dedicated to pruning the grapevine. Let's see the different functionalities of the VINE Master Pruners Academy. We now find ourselves on the homepage available to everyone at vinemasterpruners.com. There is a lot of free content which you can access by registering to the platform for free with your email address. By registering, you will have access to all the free videos and the entry-level course. The entry-level course is available to all subscribers and it contains the first 3 video lessons, the nature of the vine, the pruning basics and the morphology. This lesson, for example, is very interesting. In addition to giving basic knowledge of the vine's morphology, it also introduces the terminology that is used in all the courses. Now we find the Pruners Academy Cafe. The Pruners Academy Cafe is an entirely digital space dedicated to the community of users from all over the world, and it is divided into different sections, each with different themes where you can open one discussion, participate in the pre-existing ones, or upload photos as well. In discussions, you must first register. Let's now find the courses on demand which are currently available. This is the Vine Pruner Guyot course plus Spurred Cordon, which includes 9 video lessons on demand, 3 of which are dedicated to Guyot and 3 to Spurred Cordon. Let's see a part of a chapter.
The Simonit&Sirch method is based on 4 principles that can be adapted to all training systems. Using the Simonit&Sirch method in your vineyard allows you to build the plant over time, slowly and not all at once, giving it time to develop to an ideal shape. To do this, it is important to learn well the 4 principles of the Simonit&Sirch method. They are 1. Controlled branching, 2. Continuity of the sap flow, 3. Cutting at the crown, 4. Spare wood.
After every lesson, you will find a multiple choice test that you will have to complete to be able to progress to the next lesson. Every test has 8 to 12 questions. At the end of all the lessons and their respective tests completed, you can now attain the certificate. Always within the Vine Pruner Guyot and Spurred Cordon courses. In addition to real lessons, there are also practical demonstrations of pruning by Simunit. In this case, we see the pruning of a Guyot train plant.
Here we are in the campus Mario Schiopetto. Today we prune the Guyot, double Guyot. Follow me. In the beginning, I check the vine to control the morphology of the vines. I'm in front.
It's a 40-minute video, it's a real lesson, and it's not over here anyway. The courses also include the webinar or the recordings from the vineyard with Simunit. In this case, in the full Guyot course plus Spurred Cordon, we have the practical demonstrations and the webinar recordings for both the forms of training, while in the single courses, you find videos concerning only the type of training I've chosen. Also, if you buy a course within the Pruners Academy Cafe, a help desk section is available that puts you into direct contact with the tutors of the Academy. In the end, that was what I wanted to show you. We did a bit of a quick view, but you can always revisit the VINE Master Pruners Academy at vinemasterpruners.com.